All right. So this is Mohammed Ismail, Director of Engineering at Bitsol Technologies. So the today's topic is about transforming businesses and startups and how they can overcome the challenges of AI adoption. As we know that nowadays uh, AI is everywhere and everyone wants to find some use cases and try to adopt or looking for talent that can work in AI fields and how previous organizations, SMEs, and even enterprises have actually adopted and provided some solutions, products in AI domain. So today we are going to discuss that. So today's agenda is the potential and impact of AI on business landscape. So how starting recently, the AI boom, how it impacted on the businesses and common challenges that have been faced. So we shall be looking into few case studies where some of very well-known names were failed and why they were failed. So what we can learn from them, and then how we can actually make the AI adoption seamless from that knowledge that we can gain. So standing on the shoulder of others, we can definitely learn and then we can prove or we can actually adopt. So generally in global markets, only 1 in 10 startups survive. So that is no difference in AI landscape as well. So if you look at the 9 failures during the first years of adoption, so most of them are failed during even after starting. So currently, the first topic is the potential and impact of AI on businesses. So first of all, if you look at the global market, so how global market is adopting to AI and what kind of money they are putting in. For example, if you look at this graph, so here at 2032, it is going to be 2.5 trillion dollar. So global shift towards digitization is already there. So everybody is going towards digitization. So surge in the demand of AI in healthcare, self-driving vehicles, and many more. So definitely computer vision is also a market that is kind of AI. And other than that, so if you look at the investment that are being done, so that would also be very interesting to look into. It is expected that in so we started with the 454 billion US dollar in 2022. So as already clear from this graph. Uh, so as there are recent many developments and there were many investment in the AI. So currently very well known Anthropic startup actually got 4 billion in total. So initially AWS, actually Amazon, invested 1.25 billion dollar, and then on March 27, 2024, they invested an other 2.75 billion of investment and making total whopping $4 billion investment in a single startup. And Anthropic LLMs and models are very well known and they are available at many places. So talking more about the global market, we know that if we adopt to AI, my previous webinar emphasis on that if our employees are adopting to AI tools. For example, everyone is using Chat GPT, that is very well known and common usage tool. So if employees or developers or others actually do employ the tools that are helped by the AI, their impact on business and how the growth is impacted. This can be seen in this chart, that how improved decision making, automation, customer experience, products and service, everything is being innovated by the AI. So with the AI adoption, anyone that looks into the tools and anything that could help them during the development or during marketing campaigns or any other area, that would definitely impact in a good way. So This is also a positive aspect of the AI. So there is a very well known success story of booking.com. So if we look at that, so they have enhanced their user experience. So this is published on their own website. So they have published a study that after using fine-tuned model that was trained on their own data. So their how they that AI impacted, and how they capitalize market. So this is the bar graph. So comparing Airbnb, TripAdvisor and Booking.com market share. So definitely Booking.com has done some innovation that is leading the chart. So definitely how well we adopt AI matters very well, and how quickly we find use cases and how quickly we implement them is that matters really. So next is definitely talking about the success story and how important it is to adopt or find use cases and make them available in your business. So there are some challenges that we should look into while going into this adoption. So chat is open. If anyone have question, you can post, or if anyone had a comment you and any improvement suggestion, definitely you can post in the chat so we can discuss at the end of the webinar. Uh, so these are very well-known logos. Many of you can see that. So let's discuss what they have done and using AI. So for example, IBM Watson, an AI-powered cognitive computing system, helping the companies against its competitive edge and become a leader in the industry. So definitely they have competition with Amazon, AWS, and GCP, Google, but definitely everyone is adopting. And then Amazon, definitely Amazon is well known for its services. They have by 2021, Amazon revenue reached 485 billions. So everyone knows about that. And before 10 years back, it was barely 31 billion. So in 10 years, from 31 billion US dollar to 485 billion dollar is a huge leap. So definitely there are many tools that we use in our organization and for our customers or for our clients are well known. So the foundation model and support for Anthropic and other models, and seamless adoption or integration is also very good at Amazon. So Yext is also very well-known AI to develop a platform. So it is also very well known. Then Twitter, we nowadays knows as X also. So what happened in Twitter was that was in 2016. So they adopted the AI to track illegal content, terrorism activity, tweets, and hate speech, and they were very successful. Definitely, we know that they now talk about freedom of speech, and that is another conversation. Then definitely Tesla has AI implementation. So Tesla is well known for its robotics as well that is coming, and we see them in the internet. So next is a Netflix and Starbucks. There are very good examples of the startups, sorry, big companies, and that used the AI. So let's discuss the common challenges faced by AI adoption. So when we actually going to adopt or move to AI or going to implement within our current solutions, or we are going to implement a new product. So that is, so first of all, these are very common basics. So if we correct our basics, definitely we can go far. And if our basics are not correct, then definitely we would be facing a lot of challenges. So first is the less clarity on AI strategy. So absence of a well-defined AI strategy aligned with overall business goals and objectives. So you should always see that what your product is, what your services is, and how AI can improve that. Definitely there are collaborations, experts available. So you can also talk to, so most of them are very helpful. So it is good to actually brainstorm on your idea or strategy to bring some business to AI. So next is the lack of business use case. So definitely difficulty in identifying and prioritizing suitable AI use cases aligned with business objectives. So this is also the second challenge that we face. Third is the budget constraints. So generally, when starting with the AI, it is a very hot topic nowadays. So clients comes to us and they say that we don't know if we should go with the pre-trained models or we should go with the custom models that we want to train on our data. We should go with the a RAG based system. Definitely, there are pros and cons for every aspects, for long term cost or the cost, one time cost. So what kind of costs are involved? So the budget allocation, budget estimation is very important when you are starting or going to adopt with the AI. Next is the lack of technical expertise. Definitely, this one comes nowadays. This is very important that you have technical expertise or you partner with someone who has those expertise to estimate the budgets, to brainstorm your idea, to make sure where this fits, if it can fit with your current business, how can you improve it. You can start with small chunks. You can just start doing small changes and see and work with the experts. And definitely this is very important, and it depend, the success depends upon the technical expertise. So next is the transparency challenges. So lack of transparency in AI algorithms and decision making processes. Can this is similar to the clarity thing. So definitely there is more to talk about it. But next is the resistance to change. So one thing that most companies fear, if they put in money to AI adoption, if they fail, the money goes. And other things is that the ones that have resisted the change, so many of them are just gone from, so they are nowhere to see. So definitely there are some failure stories as well coming ahead. So we will be discussing that. So how or why they failed uh, while adopting to AI or not adopting to AI. So we discussed Watson. So some of so there was a Watson Health. So it is their failure story. So there was a significant delay in implementing the AI generated treatment recommendation, so which affected the effectiveness of the treatment for some patients. So misalignment with physicians, uh, and then the AI system couldn't be fully integrated into the physician's workflow. So definitely there were some clarity required that how they are going to market fit. So market fit is very important. Even if you are going to build something, you have to see if it is going to, because you are a big company, but you are dependent on many labs, many small companies that are working in this domain. So you have to see that if you can fit with their current systems, or you can help them integrate with your system, how good you are to adopting with them, or how you are open to making them integrate with your system. Are you going to invest in the integration process or not? So these are the very important aspects. And then absence of modern data infrastructure at that time when they started. So definitely there was these problems. So misalignment with, so then the lack of comprehensive healthcare data. Definitely their accuracy was not to the point. So 60 million US dollar in vain. So this was a failure and it costed 62 million. Definitely they would have learned something, but at the end they lost a lot of money. So so this so until now, what we have discussed is that why AI is necessary. So what are the challenges? And we also discussed one failure story. Next is the making AI adoption seamless. So how we should proceed with implementation or AI adoption, or finding the use case for our current business, how we can go with that. So businesses having the right technical partners perform 30% better than others. So this is from Forbes. So definitely, as I already mentioned in the challenges, that the technical expertise are the most vital part when we are going to implement AI, or we are going to see the use cases of our AI. For example, you have a business running fine, but you want to see that if you can improve on revenues, if there is an opportunity that AI can provide or AI can tap into, there anything that that the users can better adopt or search or use your product. If AI could help, I think this is the best thing to approach someone. Even you are not going to actually adopt or use, just go to someone, couple of experts, and talk to them. Maybe there is big opportunity, and now is the time to actually adopt to AI. So how technology partner can make AI adoption seamless? This is a very good question. So first of all, they can provide expertise and guidance, accelerated implementation depending upon your budget, definitely, and then customized solutions. So you have to choose your technology partner wisely so that they have more solutions, they have brainstorm power, and they know the current market and where AI is going, and they should know current recent technologies, the LLMs, the agents, how agent design patterns work, and what are the recent advancements, and how cost effective that could be. So these are very important things. So then risk mitigation should be there. So uh, for example, they should see that where the risk is, so how they can help mitigate risk associated with AI adoption, such as data security breaches, regulatory compliance, and algorithmic biases. So definitely algorithmic biases is on one side. The most important is regulatory compliance. For example, if you are working in the healthcare in United States, you have to have a physician involved when you are actually diagnosing with any AI. So this is the legislation. So the National Institute of Standards have released a draft. You know that the AI policy by EU is already released. So we have looked into that, and there are many restrictions. And definitely your technology partner should know that where the what the regulatory is, and how they can avoid the data security breaches, and if it is how can, if it is a medical solution, how it can be a HIPAA compliant, and how can we use federated learning or other stuff. So definitely it is very important to choose your technology partner wisely. Then definitely there comes with the scalability and flexibility and cost optimization. So these are main challenges that the brainstorming with the right technology partner can help you. So this is a success story of the Munich Re. Uh, that is a German company. So they have 41,000 employees, and their annual revenue is 67.1 billion US dollar. So they adopted AI, enhanced operations by leveraging advanced tech, and improve risk assessment accurately, then increase operation efficiency. They have all the goods. They are all the goods from the AI. So this is the best story. So we can share that they have actually incorporated AI into every department, their sales and their operations, everything. So this was a very good story. So the sources is MIT. You can just go and see their story to see that how this would be helpful to you, or how what we can learn from Munich Re to actually then go and overcome. So overcoming AI adoption challenges with specialized expertise. So provide valuable guidance and expertise to customize a solution to their specific operation needs. So this is the learning points that we have written here. Definitely, if you read in detail, you may get more or good, better points. So enhanced and technical skills, these are very generic, and definitely you can read there as well. So looking for the right technology partner for seamless adoption, definitely we are offering free POC. So we are offering 2-week free POC. Anyone watching this webinar can approach us, discuss with us. The collaboration is free, and we would actually love to build a POC or that or in within 2 weeks for free. So that is definitely a good opportunity for you. So looking forward to seeing some of you definitely, so that we can at least discuss your good or your innovative ideas. So I would love to dive into that as well. So if you look at the Bitsol Technologies, so we are specialized in healthcare, education, e-commerce. So we have many our clients in the US. We are based in US, Dallas, and California. We have an office in London. We have an office in Islamabad, Pakistan. So definitely this is our profile. So thank you very much, whoever has joined us so far, whoever was with us so far. So definitely we are going to take questions or discussions. Uh, so anyone with question, definitely we can talk about that. So thank you very much for joining. I hope to see you again in the next one. So I wish you all best of luck. Bye bye.